Okay, now I'm on page 362. Let's go over another example. Jamal downloads songs on his MP3 player. The table shows how the time it takes him to download a song depends on the song's file size. Write an equation for the relationship shown in the table, then use the equation to find how many seconds it takes Jamal to download a song with a file size of 7 megabytes. Okay. So step 1, write an equation. Look for the pattern between the file sizes and the download times. So if the file is 4 megabytes, it takes 48 seconds. If it's 5 megabytes, it takes 60 seconds. If it's 6 megabytes, it takes 72 seconds. If it's 8 megabytes, it takes 96 seconds. So what is the pattern? What's happening to they're taking X and doing what operation to it to get the Y? Okay. What is the operation they're doing each time to get the Y? And you'll see here, they took the 4 megabytes and multiplied it by 12 and saw that that would give you 48. Then they took the 5 megabytes and multiplied that by 12 and said, yep, that also will give you 60 megabytes. So that it seems to work there. If I do 12 times the 8 megabytes, I get 96. If I do the 6 megabytes times 12, I do get 72. So they're taking the file size and multiplying it by 12. So the download time, that depends, that's our Y because it's our dependent variable, is 12 multiplied, again that's just another sign for multiplication, times the file size, which the file size can change depending on how long the song is. So the relationship would be Y equals 12x, or you can write it as 12 times x, or you could write Y equals x times 12. Those would all be the same equations. Okay, step 2, use the equation now to find the download time for a file size of 7 megabytes. So here's our equation. We're going to plug in 7 now for our x. So it's going to be 12 times 7. And I'll let you go ahead and do that math to find out the value for y, which would be the number of seconds it takes to download a 7 megabyte song. So again, you're going to multiply 7 times 12, and that's what's going to go in both of these spots. Okay, again, if you need additional help, though, please don't hesitate to raise your hand. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.